What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're here to cook the perfect lamb rib in the Weber. Stay tuned. We decided on this lamb rib today, 4.5 pound rib. As one of our subscribers, Casper Marais, requested we do a video tutorial on this. Thanks Casper, thanks for the comment. Let me introduce you to our star guest today, all our spices. Over here, one of my favorites is Tbsp Chilli. I'll leave their details in the description below. We've got some rock salt, ground pepper, a rub, details also in the description for you guys. Over here we've got some Cayenne pepper, paprika, mint and cumin. A little bit of mint there. Over here, if you like habaneros, hot stuff, that's me for sure. And then some peppers, lemon and garlic. Never forget olive oil. If you look closely, over here, you've got a membrane on this side. Some people leave it on there. We're gonna remove it. You see there's the membrane. So it's quite tricky to remove it. But it's good if you do, because you want your spices to really attract the meat and really go in there. So without further ado, let me get this off quickly. With the membrane removed now, we know that all our spice is definitely going to penetrate the meat. That's very important. This side we don't have that problem. We'll get to that just now. And this side, obviously it's removed. Right, what we're going to need is a lemon, some garlic, rosemary. I'm going to cut that up, get it ready to do our spicing. What's very important when doing a lamb rib, this fat area here, you want to cut it in streaks and blocks to make sure that the fat actually pops. That's all about the flavors, and that's the only way you're going to achieve that. Let's do that. You only want to cut the fat and not penetrate completely through it. You can see there, I'm just making small cuts. Look there. What's very important to remember as well is that working with raw meat, you don't want any cross-contamination. So what I'm trying to say is that it doesn't always show in the videos, but at home, once your meat is going onto the fire or the grill, please remember to wash all your utensils, your board, your knife, all of that. Once the meat's done, you don't want to put your fully cooked meat onto any surface that the raw meat has touched. Let's do the spicing. As always, lots of oil. This is just like your sticking agent. Olive oil, I like to use olive oil. Okay, let's get our rub in there. Be generous, it's a big piece of meat. Don't be shy. Peppers. Get it in between there, some rock salt. Let's get some lemon juice in there. Obviously, try and make sure that these bits are out, as they're very bitter and it's not fun having them on your meat. Some garlic. This piece of meat was room temperature for about 2 hours, and we're gonna keep it like this while we get the fire started. Let's just put a little bit of that there as well. And that will allow all these spices to nicely mingle and have a party on this piece of meat. And this side just the same as before. Got some whiskey barrel smoking chips here. Just a few chips, don't have to go crazy. I'm going to put the bone side to the bottom because we've got some flames there. Let's do that. There you go. We're searing it initially and then we'll do the smoking part. Let's put some of those there. There's nothing wrong with these herbs and flavors. So what we're going to do is about 4 minutes each side, direct heat, and then move it over to indirect heat. Close it up. You'll get the occasional flare up because don't forget we've got lots of fat here. It's just rendering at this stage. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. I'm going to turn it over. Rosemary, we're going to get it in there. We need the flavors. That's been about 4 minutes. You can see it's nicely colored. So what I want to do now, put the fat side up initially for the first, let's say, 40 minutes. Rack indirect heat. And then close it up. I'm going to add a thermometer, just so that we could track the temperature inside. We want to keep it around about 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Local guys, 150, 160 degrees Celsius. It's been about 40 minutes. What's our internal temperature? It's about 160, perfect. Okay, I think it's time that we turn this rib over. Oh, she's looking very good, eh? Have a look at that. We've got a nice piece of dough here as well. I'm going to take a little bit of this spring onion. And then we're going to do something different today. We're going to do this dough on top of the meat. Perfect. Have a look at that. That's what we're going to do today. Our internal temperature, 150 at the moment, degrees Celsius. We're going to open the vent. Let me show you guys how it works. For those who's not sure, if you open the vent, your temperature rises. If you want to drop it, just close it. 40 minutes time, let's see what this baby looks like. See you guys in a bit. It's been 20 minutes, guys. Oh, beautiful. Just going to turn this bread around. You can see the color changing on the pepper as well. It's definitely happening. It's been 45 minutes again. Let's check on this baby. Should be good now. That's perfect. Let's take our bread and put it over here. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look how soft that is. Hey? Still juicy as well. This is where we rest this piece of meat for the next 10 minutes. We want those juices to flow everywhere, settle down. Then we're going to cut this baby up. Don't go away. The customer, we've waited long enough. Rested for 10 minutes. This is the moment of truth. Let's cut this baby up. Alright, so let's pick a spot. Look at all those juices flowing. Wow. That is amazing. Look how easy it is to cut that. Hey? You don't even need an axe or nothing. Look at that. I'm going to pause for a second. Guys. That is really amazing. You do have the crush bone here. There you go. Let's cut this in pieces. Shall we do another one like that? So you guys can see. Look at that. It is just way too easy. Look at that. Hey? Right. Most important part of this entire exercise is tasting it. Shall we do that? Let's taste it like a man. Beautiful. The salt, all the spices, it's fantastic. Guys, like the Greeks say, Fovero, beautiful, magnifica. Then, I like hot sauce, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste a bit with some of this cheeky chili. They've got a range. Like I said, I'm going to leave it in the description for you. I like the sweet and smoky. You've got the peri peri, also got the curry sauce. Let's try this guy out. There you go. Some cheeky chili sauce. My lamb. Beautiful. That complements this lamb so nicely. Okay, let's get some dogs involved. Some of my pets. I love looking after them. You know, animal is our best friend. Well, they're definitely mine. Let's try this out. Let's see if we can offer them some food as well. Okay, Shiva, Jackie, Luke is out of stall. Come. Sit. Come, sit. Okay, stretch first. Whatever makes you happy. Jan. Lucas, sit. That's a good boy. 3. There you go. 3. Okay, and that's yours. Storm, sit for us. Sit. Sit, my baby. That's beautiful. 3. 3. 3. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe. Please enable those notifications. Follow us. Please comment below. We can't do this without you. We love to hear from you guys. Till next time. Cheers.